Hi, my name is Laura Edgar. I'm a reader in law at the Centre for Commercial Law Studies, and I'd like to introduce you to the Comparative and International AI Law module that we teach here. So this module looks at different aspects of artificial intelligence law. We look at different developing applications of AI technology and some of the regulatory and policy frameworks that are developing in a number of jurisdictions across the world. We don't just focus on it from a UK point of view, but we look at the EU development, the US developments, looking at different angles, including China and other jurisdictions. Now, we start off by talking about some of the challenges that arise from the use of AI technology and the ethical implications in terms of how AI is used, from uses potentially by the military, and even the challenges of the growing abilities of AI and the potential for superintelligent AI and the potential impact of this on humanity. We're looking at how AI companies and technologies use data and the legal implications of different types of data use. So from using copyright materials, for example, for training generative AI to produce images, to the use of personal data, perhaps by companies who are using generative AI to draft letters or client letters, or to research information on their employees and their statistics in relation to finance or their employment practices. Now, the course covers a range of different issues. We'll look at questions of liability and how different countries try to regulate AI, with some countries trying to rely on existing laws and developing guidance to address any gaps within the regulatory framework, to other jurisdictions, such as the EU framework, looking at providing an overarching regulation to address some of the challenges in the development of new technologies. Now, we'll also look at this question of liability. Who's liable, for example, if a self-driving vehicle crashes into and harms a pedestrian? Is it the liability of the individual person in the car? Is it a question of the manufacturers? And how is that liability attributed between those different parties? We'll also look at some of the difficulties in interpreting the decisions coming out of AI technology and those questions of transparency, and also look at some of the developments in terms of explainable AI and the different technologies that can be used to understand the decision-making process. This module is taught by myself and Julia Hornley. It's a lecture-based module which will also involve group discussions and presentations, and it will be assessed by essay at the end of the module. Thank you very much. I hope you'll join us on this module.